Hello students, let's we learn from our reference book, subject science, chapter number 1, and the chapter name is matter. So students, every day we see a varieties of things around us. They differ in shape, size, color and many other things. What we see? We see varieties of things. They differ in size, shape, color and other things also. But there are some common features that are shared by all things. Some of the common features, that is mass and space. Two features, mass and space. All objects have mass. We all know that all objects have mass. And what is mass? Mass is the quantity that tell us how heavy or light an object is. What is mass? Mass is the quantity that tell us that the object is heavy or light. For example, your eraser, sharpener and scale are light in weight, but your notebook, book or water bottle are heavy. That the mass tell that the object is heavy or light. And next one, space. All objects take up space. For example, your clothes take up the space in the cupboard, your books take up space on the table, and similarly you also take up space in the on the chair. And matter, what is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Everything around us is matter, like air, water, etc. All these are matters. Matters क्या है? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter, and everything around us is matter. Everything that we see is matters. And matters includes both living and non-living things. It includes living also and non-living also. And the next one, states of matter. Matter exists in three forms or three states, that is solid, liquid or gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Different materials are grouped under different states on the basis of their qualities. हर एक थिंग्स क्या है, अपने अपने मटेरियल्स के साथ, अपने अपने क्वालिटीज़ के साथ वो अलग अलग ग्रुप में क्या हुआ है, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर क्वालिटीज़ दे आर ग्रुप्ड अंडर सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस. एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज सॉलिड. व्हाट इज सॉलिड? एनीथिंग दैट हैज़ अ फिक्स्ड शेप एंड साइज इज कॉल्ड सॉलिड. जिसका फिक्स्ड शेप है और साइज है इज कॉल्ड अ सॉलिड. एंड solid can neither flow or nor can change its shape. It can neither change its shape nor can flow. For example, table, chair, pen, pencil, all these are solid. Why? Because they have a fixed shape and size. It cannot change its shape and size, and nor it can flow. Now the next one, liquid. Now liquid, what is liquid? Anything that does not have a fixed shape and size and can flow easily is called a liquid. That does not have fixed shape and size, जिसका fixed shape ना हो, size ना हो and can flow easily is called a liquid. And for example of it, water, milk, oil, fruit juice, these all are the example of liquid. It does not have a fixed shape. Water, milk, fruit, these all does not have a fixed shape, fixed shape and size and can flow easily is called liquids. And they do not have a definite size. They take the shape of the container that are kept in. वो कौन सा शेप लेते हैं? जो जिस कंटेनर में हम रखते हैं उसी कंटेनर का वो शेप लेता है. That they take the shape of the container they are kept in. and they can be poured and spilled, but solid cannot. Liquid can poured and spilled, but solid cannot. And the next one, gas. What is gas? A gas is matter that has no shape or size. गैस का ना ही शेप होता है ना ही साइज होता है. A matter that has not shape or size is called gas, and it fills all available space. It fills all. जिस जहाँ आपको दिख रहा है जो भी प्लेस है वो सब में क्या है? गैस है. It fills all the available space, and gases cannot be seen. We cannot see gas, and we can feel them, but we can feel them. We cannot see, but we can feel them and even smell some of them. And the oxygen that we breathe in, जो ऑक्सीजन हम ब्रीथ करते, and then carbon dioxide we breathe out are also gases. And our atmosphere is also made of different types of gases. आप हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर भी क्या है? किससे बना है? डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ गैसेस से. नाउ चेंज ऑफ स्टेट्स. मैटर्स कैन चेंज फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म टू अनदर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाटर कैन चेंज आइस इंटू आइस और स्टेम. This is called change of states of matter. For example, water exists as solid, liquid and gas. कोई भी फॉर्म में वाटर एग्जिस्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड वी कैन चेंज द वाटर फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म टू अनदर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, in solid form water exists in the form of ice, snow and frost. But in liquid form it exists as water only, and in gaseous state that the water exists in steam. Similarly, the process of change of a solid into liquid, solid में से हम liquid में convert करते हैं, that the process is called melting. And in the same way the process of change of a liquid into solid, लिक्विड में से सॉलिड में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, दैट इज लिक्विड मीन्स वाटर एंड इट्स सॉलिड फॉर्म इज आइस. देन दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड फ्रीजिंग. सिमिलरली द प्रोसेस ऑफ चेंज ऑफ अ लिक्विड टू गैस, लिक्विड फॉर्म वाटर एंड द गैस फॉर्म दैट इज स्टेम इज कॉल्ड इवेपोरेशन. And the process of change of a gas means steam, and the liquid form water is called condensation. So what we learn in this chapter, that the solid has a fixed shape and size and it cannot be flow, and the liquid, anything that does not have a fixed shape and size and can flow easily is called a liquid, and they do not have a definite shape and size, and they take the shape of the container that they are kept in. वो कौन सा शेप लेता है? जो कंटेनर में हम रखते हैं वही शेप लेता है. व्हाट? कौन? लिक्विड. एंड द गैस इज मैटर दैट हैज़ नो शेप और साइज, एंड इट फिल्स ऑल अवेलेबल स्पेस. सो लेट्स रिवाइज वन टाइम ऑल दिस चैप्टर, that the all objects have mass. All objects have mass, and the what is mass? Mass is the quantity that tells us how heavy or light an object is. And the all objects take up space. जैसे all objects have mass, likewise all objects take up space. Now anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. This chapter about matter. And what is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Now matter exists in three different forms or states, that is solid, liquid and gas. Matter can change from one form to another, melting, freezing, by the process of melting, freezing, evaporation and condensation. Now water exists in three forms, solid forms, ice, snow and frost, and the liquid form, that is water, and the gas form is steam. So let's read some hard words of this chapter. MASS, mass. SPACE, space. MATTER, matter. QUALITIES, qualities. OXYGEN, oxygen. MELTING, melting. ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere. QUANTITY, quantity. FREEZING, freezing. CONDENSATION, condensation. EVAPORATION, evaporation. SNOW, snow. FROST, frost. STEAM, steam. FIXED, fixed. Mass, space, matter, qualities. Oxygen, melting. Atmosphere, quantity. Freezing, condensation. Evaporation, snow. Frost, steam, fixed. Now here are some fill in the blanks of this chapter. Let's we fill up. Everything around us is matter. We learn this chapter. Which chapter name is matter, and everything around us is matter. Now second one, liquids take the shape of the dash they are kept in. We already read that liquids take the shape of the container. लिक्विड्स कौन सा शेप लेता है? जिसमें हम रखते हैं. That liquids take the shape of the container they are kept in. Now the third one, gases fill all the available space. Gases कहाँ पे? हर जगह. That all the available space. Now the fourth one, matter exists in dash different state. In how many matter exist? Matter exists in three different states. Now next one, give one word for the following. First one, the process of change of a liquid into solid. The process change of liquid into solid is called freezing. Second one, matter which has no shape or size. Which matter? How many types of matters? States of matters: solid, liquid and gas. And the which matter that has no shape or size? That is gas. Gas has no shape or size. Now the third one, the quantity that tells how heavy or light an object is. The quantity that tells how heavy or light an object is called mass. And the last one, the process of change of a gas into liquid. The process of change of a gas into liquid is called condensation. Now we read all this with answer. First, fill in the blanks. Everything around us is matter. Liquids take the shape of the container they are kept in. Gases fill all the available space. And the last one, matter exists in 3 different states. Now give one word. The process of change of a liquid into solid. The process change which form? Liquid into solid, that called freezing. Matter which has no shape or size is gas. And third one, the quantity that tells how heavy or light an object is. Mass tells the quantity how heavy or light is. And the fourth one, the process of change of a gas into liquid. Gas into liquid, that process called condensation.